Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of the Mexican Caribbean to explore a true gem of Cozumel Island, the Cozumel Palace. This 4-star all-inclusive resort is making waves as a top destination for families and couples alike, offering a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and adventure. So, grab your virtual snorkel, and let's take a plunge into what makes this place so special. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Cozumel Palace doesn't mess around when it comes to comfort. Their spacious suites are designed to make you feel like Caribbean royalty, whether you're overlooking the endless blue horizon or the lush tropical gardens. Each room is a little slice of paradise, complete with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a high-end resort. We're talking air conditioning that'll keep you cooler than a penguin's toenails, Wi-Fi fast enough to make your friends back home jealous with real-time vacation posts, and flat-screen TVs for when you need a break from all that sun-soaked relaxation. But here's where it gets really good, the minibars. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh great, another overpriced snack trap. But hold onto your sombreros, folks, because these babies are stocked under the all-inclusive policy. That's right, no more guilt-tripping yourself over that midnight margarita or impromptu chip fest. The ocean views from the oceanfront suites are so breathtaking. You might find yourself wondering if you've accidentally stepped into a postcard. And for those who prefer a more grounded experience, the garden view rooms offer a serene tropical backdrop that'll have you feeling zen in no time. Now let's talk grub, because what's a vacation without some serious culinary indulgence? Cozumel Palace doesn't disappoint in the food department. They've got a smorgasbord of dining options that'll take your taste buds on a world tour without ever leaving the resort. Their signature restaurants serve up everything from authentic Mexican dishes that'll have you saying ay caramba, to international cuisines that'll make your palate feel like it's got a passport of its own. Picture this. You're sitting at a table overlooking the Caribbean, the sun setting in a blaze of orange and pink, as you dig into a plate of fresh seafood so good it might just ruin all other fish for you forever. Or maybe you're more of a breakfast is the most important meal of the day type. Well, prepare to have your mind blown by breakfast buffets that could feed a small army, and probably have. From made-to-order omelets to fresh tropical fruits that taste like they were picked 5 minutes ago. Your mornings at Cozumel Palace will be anything but ordinary. And let's not forget about the bars. Whether you're a cocktail connoisseur or just someone who appreciates a good mojito by the pool, the resort's watering holes have got you covered. With pool bars serving up frosty drinks faster than you can say another round, please, you'll never be far from your next refreshing beverage. Just remember, sunscreen before cocktails. Nobody wants to look like a lobster in their vacation photos. Speaking of pools, Cozumel Palace doesn't skimp in this department either. They've got multiple pools that cater to every type of water enthusiast. Want to do some laps? There's a pool for that. Looking to lounge with a drink in hand? Yep, they've got you covered. And for the kiddos or the young at heart, there are family-friendly pools where splashing and general aquatic mayhem are not just allowed, but encouraged. But let's be real, you're in Cozumel. The beach is where it's at. The resort sits right on a stretch of sandy paradise that'll make you wonder why you ever bothered with shoes in the first place. The water is so clear you can practically see tomorrow, and it's perfect for snorkeling, swimming, or just floating around like a happy little starfish. And if you're into diving, well, you've hit the jackpot. Cozumel is world-renowned for its diving spots, and the resort can hook you up with some of the best underwater adventures this side of Atlantis. Now, for those of you who like to stay active on vacation, you know who you are. Cozumel Palace has got your back. Their fitness center is equipped with enough machines and free weights to keep even the most dedicated gym rat happy. And if you're more into outdoor activities, they've got water sports galore. From kayaking to paddleboarding, you can get your heart pumping while soaking up that Mexican sun. But maybe you're here to relax and recharge. In that case, make a beeline for the spa. This oasis of tranquility offers a menu of treatments that'll have you feeling more zen than a Buddhist monk on vacation. Massages, facials, body wraps, you name it, they've got it. And after a day of diving or exploring the island, there's nothing quite like a hot stone massage to work out those knots. Pro tip, book your spa treatments early, especially during peak season. Trust me, your future, super relaxed self will thank you. For the little ones, or as I like to call them, future travel enthusiasts, Cozumel Palace pulls out all the stops. Their kids club is like a mini paradise within paradise, offering supervised activities that are so fun. Your kids might just forget you exist for a few hours. From arts and crafts to mini Olympics, they'll be having so much fun, you might have trouble convincing them to leave. And for those family bonding moments, there are plenty of activities you can all enjoy together, like beach volleyball or movie nights under the stars. Now, as amazing as the resort is, you'd be missing out if you didn't explore the island a bit. Cozumel is packed with attractions that are just a short hop, skip, and a jump away from the palace. History buffs will love the San Gervasio Mayan ruins, where you can channel your inner Indiana Jones. Just leave the whip at home, please. Nature lovers should definitely check out Chankanab National Park, a snorkeler's paradise teeming with colorful fish and underwater statues. And if you're in the mood for some retail therapy or want to sample some local cuisine, downtown San Miguel de Cozumel is just a quick taxi ride away. So what's the overall verdict on Cozumel Palace? In a word, fantastic. The combination of luxurious accommodations, top-notch dining, and endless activities makes it a standout in the crowded field of Caribbean resorts. The staff's attention to detail and friendly service consistently earn rave reviews from guests, many of whom return year after year. It's the kind of place where you can be as active or as lazy as you want without ever feeling like you're missing out. That being said, no place is perfect. Some guests have mentioned that the nightly entertainment can be a bit loud for light sleepers. So if you're sensitive to noise, you might want to request a room away from the main areas. And while the all-inclusive package is generally praised for its value, those looking for ultra-premium liquors might find the selection a bit limited. But these minor quibbles are far outweighed by the resort strengths. The Cozumel Palace's unique selling point is undoubtedly its combination of luxury amenities with world-class diving opportunities. It's one of the few places where you can go from exploring vibrant coral reefs in the morning to indulging in a gourmet dinner by evening, all without changing out of your flip-flops. For those planning corporate retreats or destination weddings, the resort also boasts impressive event and conference facilities, with spaces that can accommodate everything from intimate gatherings to large-scale events, and a team of planners to ensure everything goes smoothly. It's a great option for mixing business with a whole lot of pleasure. One of the things that really makes Cozumel Palace shine is the little touches that create memorable guest experiences. Like the time a honeymooning couple returned to their room to find it decorated with rose petals and a bottle of champagne, courtesy of the attentive staff. Or the cooking class where a guest learned to make authentic guacamole from a local chef, a skill they now show off at every party back home. It's these personalized moments that transform a good vacation into an unforgettable one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.